In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage rules in Outlook. Email rules help you automate your inbox so messages go exactly where they belong without you lifting a finger. Whether you want newsletters filed into a folder, alerts flagged, or low priority mail marked as read, rules can save time and keep you focused on what matters. Let's walk through how to find them and make the most of them. Start on your Outlook homepage, the main inbox view where you see your messages. Make sure you're signed in and can see your mail folders on the left and your message list in the center. That's your launch point for everything we'll do today. Next, open Settings. Look to the top right of Outlook for the gear icon and click it. This opens the Settings panel, which gives you control over layout, reading pane options, themes, and, importantly, mail features that include rules. If you don't immediately see what you need, don't worry. We're heading straight to the section that manages rules. Inside Settings, find the Mail category, then select Rules. This is the dedicated area where Outlook lists any rules you've already created and lets you manage how they behave. Think of it as the control room for your inbox automation. Here, you can manage your rules based on your needs or topics. You can create a new rule, edit an existing one, turn rules on or off, reorder them to control which runs first, or remove rules you no longer need. When building or updating a rule, start with clear conditions, like who the email is from, words in the subject line, or whether the message includes attachments. Then choose actions such as moving the message to a specific folder, marking it as read, categorizing it with a color label, or flagging it for follow-up. You can also add exceptions to fine-tune behavior, and many setups include an option to stop processing more rules once a match is found. Give each rule a descriptive name so you can recognize it later. A few tips for success. Keep your rules simple and specific, and test new ones with a recent message to confirm they work as expected. Watch the order. Rules at the top run first, which can change where an email ends up. If something isn't behaving, try disabling other rules temporarily to isolate the issue. Remember to save your changes before closing settings. And because rules in Outlook on the web run on the server, your automation applies across devices. That's it. Start at your homepage, open Settings, go to Mail, then Rules, and manage everything from there.